Hi there, everybody. You're traveling with me, Jack, and of course, as always, with my beautiful heavenly wife, Pam. You can no doubt see we are behind the wheel today in Lexington, North Carolina. Now, we are pulled off the road right now because we stopped in for lunch. And when you're in Lexington, North Carolina, you're in the heart of North Carolina barbecue country. So you got to try barbecue, right? And this is also the home to one of the biggest barbecue festivals you'll find anywhere in the nation. So I asked some of the locals, I said, I'm actually in the mood for some smoked chicken on the bone. They said, well, it's only done certain days. However, here's a place you might want to check out called Back Country BBQ. Been around for almost 40 years. It did not disappoint. Love this place. And I love, too, how the server called me Sweetie. You know you're the South when they call you Sweetie. I really like that, too. Now, the smoked chicken, oh, yeah, it was good. Smoked perfectly. And they have that kind of a sweet, spicy vinegar-type sauce, kind of a thin sauce you pour all over it. It is mighty good. Now, also, because this was a Tuesday, they were smoking brisket as well. Now, I generally don't eat much brisket, but I said, you know what? Give me a little bit of the brisket as well, along with that smoked chicken. Now, I should have told them, though, that I wanted the fatty side of the brisket. That's where you tend to get a little bit more flavor, a little more moist. So what I had, it was a little bit on the dry side, but it did have that rich, smoky flavor to it. Coleslaw, outstanding, through the roof. Some fries, and then they have these little miniature hush puppies that are so sweet and delicious. And of course, you know me, unsweet iced tea, absolutely perfect. Out back, then I got a little tour, though. I got to take a look at the big barn filled with hickory wood and an up-close look at the smokers, thanks to my new friend, Mary Ann. Mary Ann took me through the whole tour, showed us some pork shoulders that were actually barbecuing or smoking as well there. It's really hot in there, but man, it smelled delicious. And again, all this at Back Country BBQ in Lexington, North Carolina. If you find yourself in this part of the world, highly recommend checking it out. But for that matter, check out several of the barbecue restaurants here. They are all really, really good. At least that's my opinion right now, because these folks, they know how to do barbecue. And it's a different type barbecue. It's not Kansas City barbecue. It's not Memphis barbecue. It's not Texas barbecue. It's Carolina barbecue. And it's even different from South Carolina as well, but that's a whole nother discussion. So again, Back Country BBQ, Lexington, North Carolina. Hope sometime you can come out and try it. In the meantime, keep subscribing. Share this if you will. Give it a thumbs up. You can donate. And you can also check out the podcast, Love Letters to Pam. Till we see you that next time, have a great day. Better yet, a better tomorrow. Bye now from Lexington, North Carolina.